Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to do rigging of this heavy machinery in Blender. Okay, so here you can see this heavy machinery, and if I try to do move it, you can see it's working quite fine. Let's zoom in and see the little bit details. As you can see, it's working quite great, and especially the suspension parts, you can see they are working very awesome. Okay, and I have done this all alone, and it's my also my first time doing this heavy machinery, so bear with me. So enough chit chat. Now let's see how to do it. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is open the file. So before I start this tutorial, I just let you know that I will only teach you how to do rigging. Okay, I've already made this file in CAD software, and then after that I have imported in Blender. Okay, after that I have done the rigging part. So let's see how to do it. So file new. So go to file. So basically I'm just importing the file right now. So as you can see, it takes time. Okay, so as you can see, my files are imported, but nothing is showing here. The reason is that my file is too big. Okay, so first I need to reduce the scale. So press S point 001. Here you can see now now the machine is visible. Now first thing we have to do is let's make in correct orientation. So press R, X and 90. Okay, after that select all, make sure that all parts are selected. In case not, press A, G, Z and move it downwards, and press G, Y. Here you see this dot, it means that all these points have the origin here, and I don't want origin to be here. I want that origin be at the correct place, or basically this point is, you can also call it center of mass. Okay, so what I can do is select all the geometry, go to the object, set origin to geometry. Here you can see they all move back to its original place. So first question as your mind, why I did that? The reason is that when I will do rigging, I need this point for my animation purpose. Now, as I told you earlier, that this is basically from a CAD model. It is not designed in Blender. So we will face some issues. Okay, and I will discuss what are those issues and how to deal with it. For example, if I select this and click on divide icon on numpad, you can see these two are single parts, and it is very good for us because I just need to do rigging one part and other part will automatically will get rigged. Okay, so let's see how to approach this. So before I start, let's see how to approach the problem. So here you can see I have three suspension. Okay, so let's name it. So this one is number one, this one is number two, and this one is number three. So make sure that you remember this because I'm going to use all of these. Okay, so I click on again here. Now first thing that I have to do uh, is that, okay, how the hell I remove these pencil icons? I don't know. Control Z for its. Okay, now let's see how to do rigging. So first thing that I have to do is I need to place the bone correctly. So I need to place bone exactly at the center of it here. So how can I do that? So first thing that I'm going to do is uh, select this. Okay, and press divide icon, or select this one. This one is better. Select this, click on divide icon on your numpad. Now press tab and click on face mode. By pressing Alt Shift, select all these faces and press Shift as cursor to be selected. Now press 3 on your numpad. Okay. After that, back to the go to the object mode. Click on Add and click on Armature. So we got our armature. Now select this. Press Tab. By pressing Alt Shift, select all these faces. Make sure that you are in face mode. Here you can see that all faces are not selected properly. So what I can do, go here, select these two modes and select these faces. Okay, this is hide extreme mode. I have selected all these faces and press shift as cursor will be selected. Now what you need to do is press tab, select this bone, tab, select this, shift as selection to cursor. Okay, and as you can see I can't see my bone. So what I can do is select the armature, go to the visibility, view for display, make sure it is in front. Okay, and select this, and what I need to do is press E, X and extrude it here. Now I need to name my bones correctly. So select this. So what I'm going to name this, uh, go to the bone and I will going to name is, this is the first suspension and this is the bottom one. Okay, so I'm going to name is B1. B means bottom, 1 means first suspension, and C means constraint, because I'm going to use this to define constraint. Okay, and select this bone and select this bone by pressing Ctrl P. Make sure that you select keep offset. Okay, now select this one and just type B1. It means bottom one. Press 3 and click on divide icon on your numpad. So now we exit this mode. Now similarly we need to do something like this here. So here if you look closely, these two are separate parts. Okay, so what I can do is select this and select this and press Ctrl P object. So basically I've done parenting. So if I try to move it, you can see I can move it. And just if I press click on divide icon on my numpad, so these two are combined parts. So and these two as well. Okay, so what I need to do now is that I need to create bones here as well. So what I can do, select this face, click on divide icon, press tab by pressing alt shift as cursor to be selected, press 3 on your numpad, divide icon, press 3. As you can see, it is not, it is at the center of it. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need to add bone here. So how can we add bone? So go to the object mode, make sure that you select your same armature, don't go and add armature from here. Okay, select the same armature, go here, click on edit mode. Okay, after that go here, add single bone. As you can see, it is not correctly aligned. And before I do alignment, let's do one more thing. Select this bone and press E, X and extrude it. It doesn't matter what its length. Okay, so first select this bone and give it name T1C. T means top, 1 means first suspension, C means constraint. Now press 3 on your numpad. Now we need to rotate it, but so that it correctly aligned with here. So what I can do is, uh, press tab to go to the object mode, select this, press tab. As you can see, select all faces. So shift S, selection to Control Z, press tab, shift S, cursor to be selected. Okay, it select, it reached there, but I want at the center. So what I can do is select this, click on divide icon, select all the faces by pressing shift. Make sure that you selected all the faces because I want exactly in the center of it. So now type shift S, cursor to be selected. As you can see, it is in the center. Now press 3 on your numpad and divide on your numpad icon. Now select this. Now we go to the object mode, select the armature, select this and go to the edit mode. Select this, shift S, selection to cursor. So it is now at the correct place. Now what I need to do is, I need to add constraints. So what I am going to do is, select a bone, go here, go to the pose mode. Now apply constraint. Select this bone, go here, click on dam tract, click on armature. Now if you remember correctly, this is the bottom one, so B1C. Okay, similarly select this and click on dam tract, and we will select armature, and we will select T1C, top one constraint. So and make sure that we go to the pose mode, select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. So if I select this and move it, for example, sorry, go to the pose mode. If I move it, you can see they are following each other, tracking each other, and that is what I want in my suspension. It is an important thing. So, but most people will say, hey man, that these suspension need to be attached with it. Yeah, I know. I will do it later onwards. But first thing that I need to do is I need to add armature. Okay. After that, I will rig all these parts. So now go to the next part. Select this one. Okay. First go to object mode and press tab. Click on divide icon. And now pressing shift, select these faces. Press shift, select these faces. Now shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3, divide icon on your numpad. Now I need a bone here. So what I can do is select the armature again, go to the edit mode and go to the add single bone. Now here you can see I want this bone exactly at the center of here. So what I can do currently now, press G and move it here. But again it is not at the center of it. So what I can do, so go to the object mode, select this, shift as cursor to be selected. Select the, now what I can do, select the armature here, go here, click on pose mode, sorry, go to the edit mode, select this, shift as selection to cursor. So if I look closely, it is exactly in the center of it, and that is basically what I want. So now what I have to do is I have to move this bone here. Okay, so select this, press E and move it downwards. But I want this bone exactly at center of here. So go to the object mode, select this. But here you see it's selecting the all four parts, and that is not I want. So what I can do is go to the edit mode. Now click on divide icon, press 3. So first thing that I have to do is go here, X-ray mode. Select all these parts individually. Make sure X-ray mode. So make sure that you select these parts fully. After that, type P by selection, because I want now this become independent part. Now before these are all these four parts are a single part. Now after selection I remove this and make this as a individual part. Again repeat the step and click on P selection. As you can see they become red because they become individual parts. Similarly select this P selection. Now if I go to the this mode, you can see they are individual parts. But if you look at these bolts, they are not individual parts, they are still combined with each other. So I need to do something. So again click on divide icon, go to the X-ray mode of these modes and make them individual parts as well. Select all of these. First go to edit mode, press P selection, P selection, P selection. Okay, now go to the object mode. Now select this part, shift as cursor to be selected, but cursor to select goes here. So select this part, go to the object, set origin to geometry. Select object, set origin to geometry. Here you see origin goes here. Now select this, shift as cursor to be selected. Now it goes here at the center of it. Okay, press 3. I know it looks quite cumbersome process, but bear with me. Select this, shift as selection to cursor. Okay, Now I need to add one more bone to here and more bones. So select this, press E, extrude it. Now go to the object mode again, select this, and as you can see the origin is here. So first I need to move the origin to here. So go to the object, set origin, origin to geometry, shift S, cursor to be selected. Now press 3. Now select the armature and go to the edit mode, select this, shift S, selection to cursor. Now press E, um, press E, extrude it. Okay, after that select this bone, right click, and we need to clear it, clear parent, and as you can see this is not attached with this one, like this. For a second just hide this. Okay, if you remember correctly that I have sorry, alt H, select this one and hide it. If you remember correctly that while making this bone I accidentally create uh, more bones. So select this G, you can see this one, the new one. So I need to delete that bone first. So what I can do, go to the armature, so bones, bone, press alt H. So first let them give them name so that we can find out which one I need to delete it. I guess this is the one. Yeah, this one. So select this bone. As you can see, we can't see this bone here because it's just a point. So what I can do is select this, right click, and X bones. So if I select this one and G, you can see that bone is not there, and that is basically what I want. Basically that was my mistake because I created a unwanted bone here. So let's see what I have to do. So basically we have made something like this. Now I need to do inverse kinematics here. So go here, click on pose mode, select this and select this. Now press Ctrl Shift C, click on inverse kinematics. Okay, and just you know that you need to make sure that you specify chain length. So when I was first trying to do the digging, I doesn't specify the chain length, so I face a lot of issues, trust me, and it will be a mess. uh, so if I press G, Y, as you can see it's working fine, but when you try to move this vehicle it will create a lot of problems. So select this, select this bone. So what should be the length? 1, no. 2, no. You can see this yellow line. 3, yes, 3 is the right answer. So now let's see what other things we have to do. Select this bone, go to the first edit mode, select this bone and select this one, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset. Okay, so now let's do some basically let's combine this bone with these things. So let's see how to do it. So first go to the pose mode, make sure that you uncheck this low object modes. Now select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, click on bone. Select this one and select this one. Press Ctrl P, click on bone, and select this one and select this machinery. Press Ctrl P, select this one and select this bone. Press Ctrl P, click on bone. Okay. So and we need to add more. Okay. So select this one and this one. Press Ctrl P, bone. Select this. Select object mode, select this one and select this one. Okay, pose mode, select this one and after that select this one, press Ctrl P, bone. So let's see how does it looks if I try to move it. So press G and you can see it's working. Okay, not so okay, I guess. So select this one and select this one, press Ctrl P, object, and select this one, and let's change the viewport display to these bones as they are quite big for us. Viewport display. Instead of turners, let's try with stick. G. As you can see, we can see our suspension is working. The suspension number one is working great. Okay, and we need to do a lot of things, as you can see. Uh, so let's see, let's do one by one. So go here, object mode. So if you remember correctly that these boards are not basically moving with this one. So select this. After I select this, press Ctrl P, object. Now I need to add bones here as well. Okay, so what I can do is select this one, press tab, divide icon. By pressing Alt Shift, select all the faces from inside. Shift S cursor to be selected. Press 3, divide icon, and go to the object mode. Select the armature and go to the add. Sorry, select the armature. Go to the edit mode. After that, go to the add bone. Okay, and press R. Make sure that you first select the 3D cursor. After that, press R, Y, and 90. Okay, select this bone and go to the here. So this is our second suspension. So we will name it uh, B. B means bottom, second suspension, and this one is constrained. Okay, select this and press E, Z. Select this one and name is B2. Okay, now similarly, okay, I've done a mistake. Basically, I this orientation will be along this face. So what I can do is select this face, press tab, uh, press A all, shift S, selection to cursor. Sorry, press Ctrl Z, uh, press A all, shift S, cursor to be selected. After I go to the object mode, select this bone, go to edit mode, select this top, shift S, selection to cursor. So it goes here. Now I need another these two bones here. So what I can do, go to the object mode, select this. First select this one because these two are in different parts. So select this one and select this one. Press Ctrl P, object. Select this. Select this one, I recommend. And after that, press what we can do. Go to object, set origin to geometry. Here you can see, okay, before I do anything else, you see these two are single parts. If I click on divide icon, you can see these two are basically single parts and it will create a lot of problem later onwards. So make sure that you make them separate. So click on divide icon, press P, mm, sorry, select all of these, press P by selection, and we need to do similar step on bolts as well, I guess. Bolts are also combined. Yes, bolts are also combined. Press tab, divide icon, P, selection, divide icon, and go to the object mode. And what we can do now, select this one, go to the object, set origin to geometry. You can see it is exactly in the center, and that is where basically I want it. Go to the armature, and okay, first select this and press shift S, cursor to be selected. Now go to the select armature, go to the edit mode, click on add single bone, and select this press E, X, extrude it, select this bone and give the name bone as T2 constraint. It means top second suspension constraint. Okay, go to the object mode, select this bone, press tab, shift S, cursor to be selected. Again, go to the object mode, select this bone and press 3, press tab, select this top, shift S, section to cursor. Okay, so what I need to do is now is that basically again I need to use constraint. So go to the pose mode. Just to know that you can't use these constraints because these are for the object, not for the bones. That is the reason I'm going to for bones, and you can see the bone constraint. So select this, click on dam track, click on armature, and I will select bottom second suspension. So B2C. Similarly, select this one, go here, dam track, armature, and this one will be T2C. So where is the T2C? Yeah, here is the T2C. And first thing that we'll do is make sure that you define the select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. Similarly, select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset, and select this bone and this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. So let's see how does our animation, how does our bone works. So if I select this, press Alt, sorry, select this and press G, you can see it's working. But here's the thing, I doesn't basically combine these two bones. So what I can do is select this and by pressing by shift select this, press Ctrl P, bone, select this, no, select this one. After I select this bone, press Ctrl P, bone. Now let's see if this suspension is working or not. Select this bone, G. Okay, it's working, but uh, uh, select this bone and this one. Go to the pose mode, edit mode first. Select this one and this one. Press Ctrl P, keep offset, and go to the pose mode. Select this. As you can see, the suspension is also working there. Now some people will say, hey man, these parts are not moving with that, so don't worry, we are just simply going to do parenting with that. So select these bolts and select this by pressing shift, and after at the end select this one, so press Ctrl P, object. Similarly, select this one and select this one, and at the end select this one, press Ctrl P, object, press 3. Now if I go to the pose mode, select this one, press G, you can see it looks quite great now. Now we are left with these one. So let's see how to approach this. So I don't know how many you have watched my 4-bar mechanism. I'm a mechanical engineer, not a blender designer. So 4-bar mechanism is a very important thing if you are want to learn how to do mechanism, what will be the output. So if you don't know in mechanical engineering, for example, theory of machine 4-bar mechanism, you can't able to design any kind of mechanism in real life. So as a animator that I'm working in on a mechanical project, so I recommend that try to read about theory machine 4-bar mechanism. Okay, it will not take more than I guess 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's a theoretical part. It will tell you how does a what kind of output you will get from a 4-bar mechanism, and it is easy thing. It's not like you need a engineering knowledge. It is a very simple thing that even a you can teach 10 or 12-year old kid how to know what kind of output you will get from a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, so I highly recommend just watch through videos. There are plenty of videos on internet. If you still face issues, tell me, I will teach you the 4-bar mechanism in theory if you really want to learn. So first select this part, go to the object, set origin to geometry, shift S, cursor to be selected, Now go select the armature, go to the edit mode, add single bone. Again go to the object mode, select this, go to the object, set origin to geometry, shift as cursor to be selected. As you can see, they are in the center, and that is what I want. Go to the edit mode, select this top of it, shift as selection to cursor. After that, press E, extrude it. Now go to the object mode, select this one, shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3, select this one, go to the edit mode, shift as selection to cursor. So what I'm going to do is go to the pose mode, select this pawn and this pawn, press Ctrl Shift C, inverse kinematics. So if I try to rotate this, okay, first thing select this pawn and select this pawn. Make sure that you're in edit mode. So select this pawn and this pawn, press Ctrl P, keep offset. So if I go to the pose mode, select this, press R. As you can see, they are moving quite great, and all I just need to do is make them connect with this one. So select this bone and select this one, press Control sorry, make sure I select this bone and select this one by pressing Control P, bone. Okay, similarly 3, select this one and select this bone by pressing Control P, bone. So if I now try to rotate it, you can see they are moving quite well. Select this bone and at the end select this one, press Ctrl P, object. Similarly select this one, and at the end select this one, press Ctrl P, object. If I go to the pose mode now, select this one, press rotate, you can see it is moving. Just left this one, select this one and this one, and select this one, press Ctrl P, object. You see it's look quite great. If I G and rotate it, it's look quite great. Control P, object. Now there is a third suspension as well, so I need to add bones here as well. So let's see how to approach this. So as you can see, these two are also individual parts. So what I can do is select this one and select this one, press Ctrl P, object. After that select this one, shift S, cursor to be selected, press 3. So go here, select the first arm, select the armature first, go here, go to edit mode, click on add single bone and rotate it along X, sorry, Y 90, and give this bone name. So this is the third bone, so T3C constraint. Okay, B3, sorry, because this is one is bottom third constraint, and from here select this one, press, okay, not, first select this bone by pressing shift and click on H to hide them. Now after that select this one, press E, extrude it, press 3 on your numpad. After that go to the object mode, select this one and press shift S, selection to press Ctrl Z, select this one, press tab, shift S, cursor to be selected, select this one and select this thing, shift S, selection to cursor. So we have made one, but I also need suspension here as well. So what I can do, go here, object. Even I exhausted while making this. So shift S, cursor to be selected. So I need a bone here. So what I can do, go to the armature, uh, edit, add, single bone. So select this bone RY90, and this one is top 3 constraint, and press 3. Okay, select this one, press 3E extruded, and go to the object mode, select this one, press tab, shift S, cursor to be selected, edit mode, select this, shift S, selection of cursor. Okay, I know it's very exhausting thing. So go here and go to damp track, armature. So I already know that upper one is T3 constraint. So type T3 constraint. Now select this one. Go to damp track, armature B3 constraint. And what I need to do is go to the object edit mode, select this one and select this one, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset. Similarly, select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset, press 3. Now I need to add one more offset, so select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. Similarly, select this one and this one, press Ctrl P, keep offset. Now let's go to the pause mode, press 3. I hope it works. G. Wow, I forgot to add these things to these one. So select this one by pressing shift, select this, press Ctrl P, object. Similarly, select this one and select this one, press Ctrl P, bone. And basically, I accidentally attached this one to this bone, but basically this need to be attached to this one. So what you do is select this one and select this bone, press Ctrl P, bone. So if I select this, press G. Hey guys, it's working. Select this, press R. It's working, but here we have a problem. So what we can do, go to the edit mode first, select this bone, press Alt H to see all the in parts, select this one and select this bone, press Ctrl P, keep offset. Go here, pause mode, select this. Let's see, press R. Yep, it's working, but we have still some issues, so let's resolve it. So first one is set this one, so select this one and this one and select at the end, select this one, press Ctrl P, object, select this one and this one and select this one, press Ctrl P, object, press 3, select this bone. So R, as you can see, is look fine, and if I try to remove this, yeah guys, it's working. So select this, first select this one. Here you can see it's constraint go up to here and it is a very wrong thing. Okay, just you know it, just for these kind of stupid mistake it took me more time than usual to make this tutorial. Okay, so this bone just go up to here, so 1 2. Okay, so make sure that you select the chain length, as you will face a lot of problem later onwards. If you don't understand how does chain length affect, just try to don't mess with chain length. You will realize why it is so much pain later onwards. So go to the object mode and we have done to here. Now what I want basically, that's all. Okay, that's all in this tutorial. If this video get more than 100 likes, then I will also teach you how to animate this track. uh, okay, how to basically dig with the track, so when this will move forward, these things will also rotate. Okay, because I am exhausted, so I have no power to make it. So meanwhile you can just play with it. Okay, what we have done, so if you press G, so you can move like this. uh, JCB ki khudai, it's a popular word in my country. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And about this CAD file, is it free or what? So this CAD file is totally free of cost. But if you are from a rich country or rich guy, I recommend please donate this channel. So this channel can provide free of cost contents. Okay. For to download, you will get the link in description. So when you try to download, it will ask for a prize money. What you need to do is just type 0 and you will get this CAD file free of cost. But I again request, if you are from a rich family and a rich person who can afford to pay money or donate, I will highly recommend. Even a single dollar is highly appreciated. If you can donate. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.